Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is escape sequences in JavaScript. The topic name is escape sequences in JavaScript. Okay, escape sequences in JavaScript. So there are different escape sequences that we can use while writing the JavaScript programs. The major ones, okay, the top five ones are /n for new line, /t for tab space, /single quote for single quote, /double quote for double quote, double backward slash for single backward slash. Okay. So these are the top five, and there are many other guys, okay, that we don't have to learn. Or if you want to learn, you can even learn, guys. But these are the major ones that we have to learn as part of JavaScript. Okay. These are the major escape sequences that we have to learn. We have other things like /b, okay, like /r. Many are there, many are there. These are the major ones. Okay, so if you want to see the other ones, okay, apart from this top five that I have mentioned here as part of escape sequences in JavaScript, if you want to know what are the remaining escape sequences we have in JavaScript, just go here. Now we have these notes, guys. Okay, let me go here and open these notes, which I'm going to use this as a reference to show you what are the different escape sequences we have in JavaScript, apart from whatever the top five I mentioned here. Okay. Apart from this top five, you see I mentioned backward slash single quote, backward slash double quotes, double backward slash and /t. These are the top five I mentioned. We also have /hour, /b, /f, /v, /0. Like many are there. Okay. Common escape sequences in JavaScript. Many are there, guys. Okay. This in the top five I'm going to cover in this session. So let's get started. So for that, to demonstrate this top five escape sequences we have in JavaScript, let me open the Visual Studio Code. Let me launch the Visual Studio Code, guys. Once I launch the Visual Studio Code, let me create a JavaScript file, escape.js. Here, I'm going to, okay, write something like this. Let str is equal to, I'll write double quotes, put a semicolon here. And here I'm going to write, my name is Arun Motori. Okay, I love JavaScript programming language. Okay, GUAG. Okay, fine. That's okay. Let me keep writing here. Let me keep writing. Then I want to write more statements here. Okay, JavaScript is one of the, and just write something. Okay, randomly programming languages along with other languages in the market like Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, R, etc. Okay, there are many popular, there are many programming languages that are there in the market. Okay, so here I have written some statements, sample statements, guys. Okay, so if what will I do here is, I would like to print it out. Okay, I'll go to the end and press enter here and say console.log and str if I say, and open the terminal, and here I'll type node space escape.js. If I run this, you see the entire text got printed. You see all the text has been printed in a single line, guys. Okay, this is a single line. The space is not there. It has been printed like this, but this is a single line only. In single line, all the text got printed. What if you want to print each and every statement here in a separate line? After the dot, I would like to add /n. Okay, in this particular string text, string literal, wherever I want to go to the new line, after my name is Arun Motori, I want to go to the new line, and I love JavaScript programming, I would like to print in next line. JavaScript is one of the popular programming languages. Along with other languages in the market, I want to print in the next line. I would like to do that. Okay. Okay, so then here, after this dot again, I'll write one more slash n. Then is one of the programming languages with other languages in the market. I'll put slash n here. Okay, there are many programming languages like. Okay, let me write this, okay, so that it's proper statements actually. So wherever I want to go to the new line, I'll put a slash n. Okay, and there are many programming languages that are there in the market. Okay, apart from whatever I mentioned. Now, since I added slash n wherever I want to move to the new line, this escape sequence slash n when used, okay, inside string literal will take the control to the new line. Okay, so now if I run this code, just see the difference. This time, you see, it's not like this, right? It's not continuous text like this. Rather, you see, after my name is Arun Motri, new line. I love JavaScript programming language, new line. JavaScript is one of the programming languages with along with other languages in the market, new line. There are many programming languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby are. There are many programming that are there in the market. Okay, all the lines came in new line just because of this slash n. So in place of the, that's okay. That's okay. There is an example for, slash n. There is an example for slash n. So let me comment this. Let me comment this for slash n demonstration is done. The next escape sequence that I want to cover here is slash t, guys, tab space. Okay, so tab space. So let me demonstrate that. Let str is equal to, since this is commented, I can write like this, not a problem. And here, I would like to write my space name space is space Arun space motor. Okay, and if I print this, originally if I print this, str like this, if I print this, you see, my normal space, name after that normal space, is after that normal space, Arun after that normal space has come. What if I have to write slash t, again slash t, again slash t, again slash t if I write, what will happen? Run this code and see my tab space name, tab space is tab space Arun, tab space Arun. Okay, Arun Motor. Okay, fine. You see, wherever I mentioned slash t, normal space is not there. It is a tab space. When you press the tab key, this kind of space will come, right? So that's how we have to use this escape sequence known as slash t. And what will happen if I use a slash t inside the string literal? You can clearly see how come the, between these words, tab space kind of space is coming. Okay, this is what happens when you use slash t escape sequence in JavaScript. Now the next one we have is next escape sequence, that is backward slash single quote escape sequence. If you want to represent a single quote, in which situations it will come to use, let me show you. Let str is equal to, I can also represent a string in single quotes, right? I'll write like this, okay? I love JavaScript programming or JavaScript language, okay? I love JavaScript language. I would like to, okay, when I print this str, here it will be properly printed like I love JavaScript language will be printed in the output console. But what is the output I want is, instead of this normal one, what I want is, I want the JavaScript to be printed with single quotes, okay, surrounded by single quotes. So here, if I put single quotes, you see errors are going to come. Okay, how can you write single quotes? How can you specify the single quotes inside another single quotes is a problem. To overcome this, here I need to write, if you want to represent a single quote inside another single quotes, you have to write this escape sequence, okay? To overcome this problem, you have to write this escape sequence known as backward slash single quote. This represent a single quote inside the single quotes. Now run this time you'll get the required output. If you want to print JavaScript surrounded by single quotes in the output, then you have to write like this. So you cannot represent single quotes inside another single quotes, right? So you have to write like this. Okay, this is one way. So this is the purpose of the escape sequence. Okay, single quote backward slash single quote escape sequence. Now another thing here is, let str is equal to, again I'll write in double quotes. I'll write this time. I love can also represent a string literal in JavaScript in double quotes. I love JavaScript language. I'll write JavaScript language, and here double quotes are there. So if I print this, you already know, if I print this, I love JavaScript language will be printed. I love Java, but here I want the JavaScript text should be surrounded by double quotes in the output. Okay, for that, if I add double quotes here, I'll get the errors. I'll get the errors like this. To represent the double quotes inside another double quotes, you have to write the escape sequence, that is backward slash double quote. Then the issue will be resolved. Okay, you see in the output we got JavaScript surrounded by double quotes, even though these double quotes are mentioned inside another string literal double quotes. Okay, so this is the purpose of the escape sequence known as a backward slash double quotes. Let me comment this one also. Now the final one is left out. The final one, double backward slash is left out. Okay, double backward slash is left out, double backward slash. So let's write something like this. Let str is equal to, let me provide double quotes and put a semicolon here, and let me go to one of the location in my machine. Let me go to one of the location in my machine. For example, is there any folder here or something that I've created? Yes, some files folder is there. So there is a file, ykd.txt file is there. Right click on this file, any file, guys. Okay, any file in your machine, you go and right click here at any place in your machine, select properties, and this is a path. Let me copy this path. Let me copy this path and paste it here. Okay, let me copy this path and paste it here, and say slash. You can continue. Okay, slash, you can write ykd.txt, right? This is a path of the file. So when you represent the path of the file, when you want to represent the path of the file, the problem here is slash u is it's being treated as an escape sequence. The yellow color thing is coming. If you really want to, so if I want to print this, okay, console.log cld str, what is happening? Let's see. Okay, what is happening? Let's see. You see, backward slash is not coming, but what is happening here after c colon? C colon is fine. In place of this backward slash, nothing is coming. Users has come. Yes, after the slash a is there. Okay, users, backslash is gone. Arunyam and downloads. Wherever the backward slash is there, that's gone away. Okay, if you really want to represent a backward slash, you have to represent like this. Okay, double backward slash. Just provide double backward slash. Double backward slash in the string literal will form a single backward slash. Okay, if I run this time you'll get single backward slash. Okay, if you provide only one backward slash, it's not coming. Okay, if I provide double backward slash, single backward slash is coming in the output. Okay, so this is how we need to understand different escape sequences in JavaScript, guys. Okay, that is one of the escape sequence I covered is slash n for new line, slash t for tab space, slash single quote for single quote, slash double quote inside string literal for double quote, and double backward slash in the string literal is for single backward slash. Okay, so hope guys you understood the different escape sequence, the important escape sequences that we have in JavaScript. Apart from that, we have remaining escape sequences like carry as return, like slash r, and backspace slash b. Okay, if you want to represent this kind of stuff in the literals, you can go with this. Okay, slash f for form feed, slash v for vertical tab. Okay, null character, slash zero, and many other stuff. Okay, so whatever I covered is more than enough, guys. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.